the thing with editing is before I even start putting anything in my edit system is I'll go through all the footage, and let's say, you know, I do have 30 hours of footage I need to go through. Well, I'll go and I'll watch every one. And the best way to do this, most effective way, is with the interviews, I'll transcribe them. I will watch them and I will type up everything that these people said, because it makes it fresh in my mind what they said, where everything is on the, you know, the tape, so that when I actually do need it for editing, you know, it's right there. I could just look at my logbook where I wrote everything down and put it in the system. So it isn't like you're just putting 30 hours of footage in your edit system and just kind of like trying to find stuff. Be as organized as you can beforehand. This is really useful, especially with the B-roll stuff. Let's say you're looking for a shot of them, you know, canoeing, or need a shot of them like at summer camp, or, you know, just walking down the street, or you need some type of nature shot like clouds going by, or a sunset, or a moon, or whatever. Well, you have it all written down, you know, where it is on the tape, so it's just easy to put in and easy to edit. It'll save you a lot of time. It may seem very time consuming and kind of an extraneous, you know, labor intensive thing to do, but this is really what will save you time and really help you in your edit, is logging the footage, keeping track of where everything is.